for you on another hot Halloween night, taking you on a time capsule journey down memory lane. From Halloween's rock and roll Hall of Fame to the stars of rap and hip-hop, giving you one spooky night of musical frights you won't ever forget, yeah. Remember, I don't want to crash your party, I just want to eat your candy. Abracadabra and abracado, it's time for Black Cat Jack's radio show, yeah. And while we're taking a ride down memory lane, don't forget to stop in at Frankendine's for the midnight special.
Come on down to Frankendine, Frankendine, Frankendine. Come on down to Frankendine, we eat the food alive.
A bowl of fresh zombie stew, that's right, Frankendine's. For the freshest zombie stew you'll ever sink your teeth into. Oh, and while you're there, grab a big glass of Drac Cola. It'll keep you young like me.
Ah, that's good. Come on down to Frankendine, Frankendine, Frankendine. Come on down to Frankendine, your friendly monster dive.
And now it's time for Dr. Ghoul and the Ectoplasmics to sing. Baby, give me something I can hold on to, yeah. Show to rip out your heart and have you begging to get it back. The Shock Monsters singing, you really fried my brain, yeah. Midnight Metal Madness. Building, it's Black Cat Jack Pirate Radio, yeah. What's up? What's happening? Halloween. What's happening? Halloween. A black cat walking on the rooftops. Black cat walking on the rooftop. This is Black Cat Jack signing off on another spooky Halloween night of rock and roll radio meltdown. Destined to go down in pirate radio broadcasting history. Yeah. See you next Halloween. May the midnight special shine its ever-loving light on you, brother. Black Cat 13